In this session, we are going to discuss about potential energy. There are two types of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. In this session, we are going to discuss about potential energy. And objectives of this session are to understand about potential energy, to derive an equation for potential energy. Let's start the discussion. All the water tanks are kept at the top of the building, right? We can see water tank here. Why it is keeping always at the top of building? Because of this position, the water is getting some energy. Water tanks are kept at the top of building. It means there is one form of energy because of its position. It is known as potential energy. So what is potential energy? Energy of an object, here it is water. Energy of water because of its position. Energy of an object because of its position is known as potential energy. It is one type of potential energy. There is another type of potential energy because of strain. Here also, the dams are always at a higher altitude because at higher altitude there will be some energy for this water because of its height, because of the position. The next type of potential energy is potential because of strain. We all are familiar with arrow and bow, right? Here, this boy is stretching the bow for leaving that arrow. We need to stretch the bow for leaving that arrow, right? Then only the arrow will move forward. So because of this stretching of this bow, there is some energy. That energy is also known as potential energy. Because of this strain, there will be energy stored in it. It is known as potential energy. Potential energy of an object is the energy because of its position or strain. In the previous case, in the water tank, it was because of position. Here it is because of strain. Now we can discuss expression for potential energy. We are considering an object of mass m at a height h. Here there is an object, it is a ball. It is placed at a height h. The mass is m. What is the equation for work done? Work done is force into displacement. The force acting on this object is weight. The ball is having a weight. What is the equation for weight? Weight is equal to mg. Here the mass is m and there is an acceleration due to gravity. There is a gravitational force acting on that ball. Because of this one, there will be energy, there will be force. The equation is F equal to mg. What is the equation for work done? Work done is force into displacement. Why we are finding work done here? To find energy, we can find work done because both are same. Work done equal to force into displacement. What is force? It is mg. Displacement will be h when it is fall down. Just imagine it is falling down. When it is falling down, it was the initial position. Now it is a final position. Then initial position and final position. The distance between initial position and final position is displacement. Here that displacement is height. And force is mg. Displacement is h. Then work done will be equal to mgh. Work done equal to mgh. We know that work done is energy. Here it is potential energy. Then potential energy is equal to mgh. It is the expression for potential energy. M is the mass of object. G is the acceleration due to gravity. H is height.